Hello. Let's solve CAT 2024 slot 1 quantitative ability questions. Okay. So, there are 22 questions. Let's see one by one. Okay. Now, you see a fruit seller has a total of 187 fruits consisting of apples, mangoes and oranges. The number of apples and mangoes are in the ratio of 5:2. After she sells 75 apples, 25 mangoes and half of the oranges, the ratio of the number of unsold apples to the unsold oranges becomes 3:2. The total number of unsold fruits is, okay. So, let us see these apples, mangoes and oranges, right. Total fruits were 187. The number of apples and mangoes in the ratio of 5:2. So, let us say the apples were 5x, number of apples were 5x, mangoes were 2x. Okay. And after that, some fruits sold, right. Okay. So, 75 apples sold. So, apples sold 75. Okay. 26 mangoes sold 26. Okay. The ratio of now this is the sold, these are in the beginning, right, this is unsold, right. Now, the ratio of unsold apples to the and oranges, half oranges sold, right. Now, the number of unsold apples to the unsold oranges is 3:2. So, let us say unsold apples are 3y is 3:2 and unsold oranges are 2y. Okay, 2y, and see oranges sold were half, okay, half were sold. So, half are remaining. So, 2y remaining, oranges sold 2y. So, original oranges were 4y, right. Okay, half sold, half are there, okay, unsold. Now, see, and total fruits in the beginning we had is 187. Okay. Now, we can see that we have to find the total number of unsold fruits. I mean, this is 3y, 2y and this mangoes. So, we have to basically find the value of x and y. There are two variables, we can get two equations. Now, you see here, out of 5x apples, 75 sold, 3y are left. So, that means 5x minus 3y equal to 75. So, one equation we can have is 5x minus 3y equal to 75. Another equation we can have, the total fruits in the beginning were 187. So, 5x plus 2x, that is 7x plus 4y, 7x plus 4y is equals to 187, and we can solve for x and y using these two equations. Let us eliminate y, let us multiply the first one by 4 and the second by 3. So, minus 12y and plus 12y, we can add these two equations, y will get cancelled. So, let us multiply with the first one by 4, second by 3 and let us add, right. So, here we get 20x, here we get 21x. So, 41x is equals to 75 into 4, that will be 300, right. 187 into 4, 187 into 3, sorry. 180 into 3 is 540, 540 plus 21, 540 plus 21, 561. So, it will be 861. So, x equals to 861 divided by 41, 41 will go 2 times, that is 82, 2 times 82. If you remove 82 from here, 4 will come, 41, it will go 1 times. So, x is 21. Let us substitute the value of x here, right. Okay. So, from here we can say 3y is 5x minus 3y is 5x, 3y is 5x minus 75, x is 21. So, 21 into 5, that is 105, 105 minus 75, 30. So, we can say y equals to 10, right. So, from here we get y equals to 10. So, we got x equals to 21, y equals to 10. Okay. So, here you see unsold apples, okay. So y is 10. So unsold apples here 30, right? Okay. Unsold oranges are 20, y is 10. We have to find the unsold mangoes. X is 21. So mangoes were 21 into 2. So actually mangoes were 42. 42 out of 42, 26 sold. So remaining mangoes 42 minus 26, that will be 16, right? 16. Okay. Now, so total fruits unsold 30 plus 16 plus 20. 30 plus 20 is 50, 50 plus 16, that is 66, right. So total unsold fruits is 66, that is the answer. I hope this is clear, right. Okay.